So hello, welcome to Fan the Fans episode number 2. This is a Lasko model 3733 from 1999. The 3733 is far more common from the mid-2000s and early 2010s generation, but these do exist and you can still find them. So I'll start by unscrewing the front plate. This is another fan that hasn't really been cleaned since it was bought, which is quite a long time by now. The way you can tell which generation 3733 you have is there's slight difference in the plate, the fascia, but the main difference is the knob and the handle. For the later generations, it's slightly more curved than this. And also you can just tell that this has been used for much longer than just 10 to 15 years because of how yellowed it is, and also because it has sustained rust damage and it's very dirty. It looks like the side screws have already been removed by somebody. Okay, well, there we are. This one rusted slightly and has stuck. Alright, now we can remove the front grille. And here we are. So I'll take my damp rag. This was a kitchen fan, so along with the dust it has grease. But for now we can just use water to remove major buildups. Much of the inside of the metal housing has rusted. And just wiping with a rag is not going to be entirely effective. So now we can go ahead and remove the rear grille. This side screw looks like it's been replaced. Yes, that's not a Phillips head. So there, that is exposed the motor. Which will probably require some further cleaning. But I've just prepared this one damp rag. Alright, so this is obviously not completely cleaned, but just for the purposes of this short video, that should be fine. Now we can reassemble the rear grill. And now the front grill and rear grill are both reattached, and my desk is significantly grimier. But anyway, now that the two grills are screwed back on, we can begin with the blade acceleration tests. This is a 3-speed fan. One other telltale sign that this is a 1999 model is that the numbers are more square, more boxy in font. The later models were more rounded. So this is a 3-speed fan. And now we can begin the speed acceleration tests. Let me just plug it in. This fan is slightly broken after so much use. 1 and 2 are now the same. So the second speed is broken. So you'll hear the motor accelerating. This is speed number 1. And the broken speed number 2. You can hear the motor struggling a bit more, but speed number 3 is okay. And it's very powerful. I can feel significant lower pressure back here behind the fan. Okay, and 0. Now we can do full 0 to 3 acceleration test in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.